All right, welcome back. Algebra 2 Honors Review 2016 Semester 1, starting on 46 today. Glad you could join us.
And I thought you would see like the back of our heads and stuff, but you can't.
Yeah, you just see the screen.
Yeah.
You were the other one?
Yeah.
That was two. That was two. You two. Okay. All right, so it says use the quadratic formula to solve for x. It's multiple choice, so just a quick check, see if we can factor this. It'll be a lot quicker, right? A times c is -4. Two numbers multiplied by -4 would add up to 2. Yeah. So let's do a quadratic formula like it says. X equals -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we've got -2 plus or minus 2 squared minus 4 times 4 times -1. So we got 4 plus 16. Square root of 20 simplifies to 2 root 5.
Yeah.
And all three numbers on the outside can be divided by 2, so we'll do that. So we got -1 plus or minus 1 root 5 all over 4. Questions? All right, moving on, 47. Can't factor it. So we got the opposite of -3 plus or minus the square root of -3 squared minus 4 times 1 times 14 all over 2 times 1. Nine minus 56. What is that? 3 plus or minus the square root of 47. That's 7547, yeah. So we're good? Questions on 47? All right, 48. Find the x-intercepts. All right, so how do we find the x-intercepts?
Make y equal 0.
Make y equals 0 and solve, right? So 0 equals a times c,
So it's -12.
-24. What'd you say?
6 -12 and
-12 and 2.
No, -6 and -4. -12 and 2 would be -4.
No.
Negative 12 is 2 works.
Oh, my bad. Yes. I thought it said negative 12.
So my A value is 1, so I can go right to factor form. So x minus 12 and x plus 2. So x has to equal 12 and negative 2, right? So my x-intercepts are 12 comma 0 and negative 2 comma 0.
What I used to do was like I plugged it into the doctor.
All right, 49. For the discriminant,
That was b squared minus 4ac.
it looks like that's what they have here. It's the inside part of the square root, right? The quadratic formula, so b squared minus 4ac. So it looks like they're not requiring y'all to learn anything. They're just giving it to you here, huh? Very disappointing. So it says what kind of and how many we got. So this is a 64 minus 140.
What's 35 times 4?
You get 35.
So what is that? About 76? Negative 76? So my discriminant is going to be negative, so I'm going to be taking the square root of a negative number.
You get 6.
So I'm going to get I, right? And there'll be plus or minus in front. So 2 complex solutions.
Complex means imaginary. And if it's 0, it's 1 real. And then if it's positive, it's 2 real.
That's correct.
When would it be 1 real and 1 complex?
Never.
The positive.
You can't have one complex,
Mm-hmm.
because that means you took the square root of a negative number, right? For complex, and what's in front of every complex? Or what's in front of every square root? Plus or minus. So the complex solutions have to come in pairs. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Questions on 49? All right, write a quadratic function in standard form, having the zeros. So I've got zeros of x equals negative 7 and 2. So I know that means factored form will be x plus 7 and x minus 2, right? So we will
Find AC.
FOIL.
So it'll be x squared. Times I do it. It would be x squared
So we get x squared
plus 5x.
plus 5x
Minus 14.
minus 14. So the answer is D. Very good. All right, questions on 50?